Hello and welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita Prashant and I'm making Gondh ke Laddoo today. Especially for postpartum mommies, this is going to be beneficial. It will help you gain that energy which is required in this time to take care of yourself and the little one as well. It also helps increasing breast milk. So do check how to make it and ensure that you make it at home or somebody makes it for you and you have it every day. So let's dive right in and see how to make Gondh ke Laddoo. Let's get ready for a long process of cooking, frying and mixing. I'm now taking jaggery. These are some crushed organic jaggery, 750 grams. I'm actually making double the amount I'm informing you here in the details because I would not be able to do that again. Water about half a cup. So if it looks too much, it is too much. It is double what I am telling you. We'll keep this aside for a while. Now in a blender jar, I'm taking dry coconut, about 100 gram. The measurement would be in the description box. Please have a look. I'll grind this to a fine powder now and keep aside. And in a pan, I'm taking poppy seeds. We'll just have to fry it for a minute or two, not more than that. Poppy seeds would splutter a lot if you try to roast it too much. Transfer it to a blender jar. Along with it, we will fry some cardamom. And transfer it to the same blender jar and blend it together. Now all the dry fruits one by one we will start adding and frying them. Almonds about 100 gram and ghee as needed you can keep adding. There is no limit to adding ghee to this mixture. Fry it until it smells good and changes the color. Take all the dry fruits in a big vessel. I'll show it to you in the end. Cashewnuts about 100 gram. Chopping it like this would be nice. If not, you can crush it as well. It's very important to use good quality dry fruits. Walnuts about 100 gram. And ghee just as needed, as much as you can take. Fry and keep this also aside. In the same vessel you can keep pouring all these fried contents. Pistachio about 100 gram. Ghee. We shall mix this and fry this as well. You have to be very patient while making this. You can't put it on high flame and keep frying it. It has to be done on medium flame. Raisins, by mistake my husband got these sour raisins which were not of a great quality and it did not give a good flavor to the Gondh ke Laddoo which I am making here. So please be careful and select good quality raisins which are sweet, not sour. Fry it until it swells up like this. You may have to add double the amount of ghee you added to other dry fruits. I'm taking dry dates, finely chopped. My mother says soft dates would get too sticky, especially because you have to fry it in ghee. So it's better to use dry dates. Trust me, it takes a lot of time to chop and keep all the ingredients ready. And even after you keep it ready, it is taking time. Now add ghee to the same pan and keep adding some crushed gondh little at a time and fry it. They swell up too big. I don't know why this gondh didn't swell up too much, but they swell up to the size of a popcorn. Now this is how you will have to keep it ready and grind it once it cools down. Now we will take the jaggery and water mixture, boil it and we'll have to bring it to a one string consistency. This is the traditional method my mother follows to make this laddu. Once you achieve one string consistency, then in the same vessel where you have added all the dry fruits, after roasting, you can add the jaggery syrup like this. Mix it, and now we'll add other ingredients one by one. Dry coconut powder. This is Gondh ka powder. Mix all the ingredients well. Some more leftover ingredients we'll add one by one. Ground poppy seeds. Mix it. Some crushed cloves, about 10. I missed the video part where I was making laddu, so mix all these ingredients and shape it into small laddus like it is shown next. Our Gondh ke laddu is all ready to be served.
Post delivery, I have been having this daily and it is really helping me because I did not take much of a rest after my C-section delivery, and I am on tours. I have been taking care of Divij, Disha, family, and I have been working full time, taking care of business and making YouTube videos as well. So this is really helping me a lot. Otherwise, I don't think I would have that much energy, unlike the first time where I was taking a lot of rest. So I really want to insist you to have this and take care of yourself. Your health is very important, and you must ensure that you are healthy to take care of the little one. Otherwise, it is really not possible. And all the positivity to you, and thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye-bye.